We recommend that you use a media player to display any video, audio or images on a TV monitor or a projector. When you borrow the media player kit, it contains 4 items: media player, remote control, HDMI cable and power adapter. Please make sure that these are contained within the kit when you borrow and again when you return. One important thing to mention is that each media player kit is numbered, and we need to make sure that the corresponding number is on each of the items of equipment, the media player and the remote control. To minimize any problems in connecting your media player to your output device, we recommend the following sequence. First, connect the HDMI cable. Ensure this is also connected to your TV or projector. Second, place your storage device into the correct port. Make sure it is orientated correctly with a USB. The contact should be facing uppermost. Finally, make sure that you put your mains AC into this port here, not the AV port there. And then, last of all, power on. A red light should indicate that the power is on. Then simply use the red button on the remote to switch on. The light will change to blue here, and you will need to then follow the on-screen instructions and use the remote to toggle through. There is also an AV output for a 1.5 mini jack to triple phono. This is useful for when using older devices which may not have HDMI. When using the remote, important buttons are the on and off button, TV system for setting the aspect ratio, repeat for looping your video, return for going home or going backwards, play, stop and pause, and also set up for more advanced options.